Hey everyone, get ready to dive into the incredible Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones. Truly the ultimate escape for your ears. These aren't just good. They offer industry-leading noise cancellation that virtually silences the world around you. Perfect for commutes or focused work. Imagine transforming a noisy playing cabin into your private concert hall. That's the power you get with the XM5S. Worried about charging? Don't be. With an astonishing 30-hour battery life, your music, podcasts, or calls will last longer than even your busiest days. And here's a game changer for productivity. Multi-point connection lets you seamlessly switch between your laptop and phone, never missing a beat or a call. Beyond the tech, the XM5s are incredibly lightweight and comfortable, designed for hours of blissful listening without ear fatigue. If you're looking to upgrade your audio experience or find the best noise-canceling headphones on the market, these are a serious contender. Check out the link in the description to grab your own pair on Amazon and experience this sonic revolution. Investing in the Sony WH-1000XM5 isn't just buying headphones, it's buying peace, clarity, and exceptional sound quality. Honestly, for anyone serious about their audio, these Sony WH-1000XM5s are an absolute must-have for 2025 and beyond.